Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my Discord server. I just made it. It's JS. Don't know why, but it's JS. So, yeah, this is my Discord server. The link is going to be in the description of the video. If you want, join it. And then we can chat and whatever. Yeah. So, like, join the server if you want. The link is right here. I'm going to put in the description, so don't worry about it. I'll copy it again. Sorry, but whatever. It is the, okay, whatever. So, yeah, join. Link is in the description. This is probably like the shortest video ever, so I'm going to make it a bit longer. By doing nothing. Actually, I'm just gonna explain everything, I guess. Just look at everything. Okay, what the? What? Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, guys. So just join this. Probably gonna be like, this video is probably gonna be about like 10 seconds long or something like that. So yeah, join. And yeah. If you want, you join. It's in the description. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Just join. Okay? And then we'll talk or whatever. Or I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so yeah. Join and actually, oh yeah, there's one thing else. Shout out. I want to give a shout out, but I forgot the name. So I'm searching it up again. Where is it? I forgot the name. Oh, here it is. We don't actually want to watch the, okay, Everly MO0164. Shout out to you. And then Elena Armaz, shout out to you, and Gem Marie Artist, shout out to you. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, join if you want. We'll talk. Yeah, okay. Now, bye-bye.